Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. Let's discuss what happened on Friday and what we are expecting next, and also the NSE data has been updated like at around 1 a.m. I found out at around 1 a.m. Like now it's around 4 a.m. and I'm making the video. Let's discuss again with the help of the data points what we are expecting next. So the very first thing is that there is like worldwide selling is going on, but still like gift nifty is ending at negative 87 points. That is nothing much compared to what like nifty, as you now know that in one green candle it covers more than 100 points sometimes. So it's not a very big deal. Like it's not one minus 150 or 200 points, it's just negative 87. But yeah, still we'll have to see where it opens on Monday. But let's discuss what the data points are suggesting. Okay, so talking about today, let's go to our money flow. So the very first thing is that nifty money flow was clearly clear cut giving the negative signal. Okay, so even it came a little bit in the positive zone, but then after that again it went to the negative zone, and it was clearly giving the negative green signal, and it also ends in heavily negative zone as well. Talking about bank nifty, so bank nifty was like in the morning it was positive, and then after that slightly negative, but again it gave positive, it went back to positive, and it was highly positive. Okay, as you can see, like then it went to neutral. So bank nifty was totally taken up to just short it. Okay, and as you see, like at the end big guys shorted bank nifty, and both nifty and bank nifty were shorted at the end. So that's what our money flow is saying. And even from our if you watch the graph carefully, so of nifty, so you'll notice that like here while the spot was increasing, the money flow was decreasing. So even slightly here as well, so money flow was decreasing but the spot was increasing, so creating a negative or a bearish divergence. And finally like the nifty gave up and it went down. And even as you saw, like in the morning the scores were heavily negative, and that implies that the big guys were making short positions. So now talking about our Sensex expiry today, so it went superb. So first, like I did wait for the second half. First half I let it go. Okay, so yesterday first half, like what happens is that both side it gives moves, and all the analysis that you do, it just gets like, the market is in a hodgepodge situation. It remains in a hodgepodge situation in the first half, or that I have seen from the last few days. So as you see, like it went down, and if you would have waited, like it will go further down, it went up, and then again down, and then again up. So that's why like I did wait for the second half, and perfectly like shorted at right at the top. So if you look at here the time, 13:44. So 13:44, from there I started onwards. So at the right top, like shorted, and this is the place where I kept shorting. So if you look at here, that is 81 300 CE shorted at 50, 81 200 P bought at 105. So this whole 50 points ends worthless. 81 200 CE shorted at 82, that also ends worthless. And then finally 81 100 P was bought at 47. So then the dip came, and I closed at 105, bought at 105, closed at 138. So which is like giving a 31.4%, and the one closed at like 47 to 75. So that went to 89, but I was able to close it at 75. Anyways, that gave a 60%. Okay, so then again it went up like 1423. If you look at here, that is it came down, and then again this not that one, sorry, this one 1420. Okay, so this candle came and it went up, and then just right at the top, again this candle again caught a reversal, that is again shorted. And this one I closed a little early. If I would have waited till here, I would have got more than 3x, but anyways, no regret. Overall I'm getting more than 2x. So this is where I again shorted. Okay, so shorted means again bought puts, the call writing positions were there. So here that is 81 200 P bought at 110, and 81 100 P bought at 50. So when I updated this 50 was at 54, and this 110 went to 125. That's why I did not even consider like the profit that came from 81 200. So I just considered the profit from 81,100 and that too from 54. So which I also closed it at 73. So that's what I'm saying. If I would have waited, I would have got 3x. This went more than like 150. So anyways, no regret. That is like if you just even calculate this one, so that is giving a nice return, and that is giving a 35% return. Even just not considering 81 200p bought at 110, that also was at 125 when I updated, and it went to more than 200 as well. So no regret anyways. Like overall still I'm getting more than 2x and I'm happy about that. And also like the writing side gave huge. So today not only the option buying, the writing side like 50 points, 82 points, the writing side gave huge premium eating opportunities. Okay, so again, if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, you want to catch the big guys, so be a part of the you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group and take the advantage of catching these big guys during the live market hours. And again, this is the same telegram channel, guys. So again like as you have seen, like my past performance and those the days where I go wrong, I also say that. So there's no shame to go wrong 1 day or 2 days out of 10 days. So it's normal. Okay, so it happens in the stock market. So stock market is not a child's play. So anyways, coming down to our so caught two reversals. And also like if you are a member, you want to become a member, so the coupon code is there in the comment section below. So there is only one spot for the discount offer, so do grab it if you want, and where you get access to the money flow indicators, and you get the my analysis in live in the telegram channel. Okay, so that is a complimentary access. So anyways, coming down back to the data point. So the data points, let's go and check. So first of all, let's talk about the chart. So bank nifty. So if you look at bank nifty, look at here, that is bank nifty, it went up, I do agree. Okay, so money flow also said, but look at the level. So it just touched our level 51,073. So when it does like this, so you should like I have told you several times that levels are also important. So whenever it does, since it's not breaking this level, you just wait. And since it's going up, so you don't short it. Okay, so that's the idea, that's the normal idea, trading based on levels. And the above level we have at 51,715. So now coming down to our nifty. So nifty, yes, like it opened gap down, and then again it was a sell on rise opportunity, as like the big guys shorted in like as you know, like they shorted heavily in nifty. Okay, even if you look at the bank nifty, so heavy shorting, like you didn't notice, like even if you see that slightly negative and then positive. Okay, and again slightly negative, so and then hugely positive. So that was the sign that bank nifty is positive, and nifty is like huge shorting has been done. So you get an idea that where the big guys are, what they're doing, and what they want finally. So bank nifty was just taken up to just short the bank nifty. I think someone missed shorting the bank nifty, and so that's why it was just taken up. Anyways, coming down to yesterday's analysis as well. So even there also we go and check in the option chain analysis. We mainly discussed that option chain put side was looking weak in nifty, bank nifty, so even in sensex as well. So anyways, even I said like where in sensex the call writers are present and everything. So those everything worked out. So now coming down to what the fresh data is suggesting. So fresh data, if you look at here, that is fresh writing has been done in the by the FIIs in the futures. Propdex neutral in futures for now, not taking much positions in the futures. Talking about, they have closed a little bit of futures long positions as well, like they made the last to last day. So now talking about in option chain, if you look at here, Propdex, let's talk about FIIs. FIIs today, they have bought huge amount of puts. Okay, so they knew that fall is going to come, I think. And also like they have done call writing, but they have also bought calls. I think they are properly hedging their positions. Also it might be that extra call buying is for these future short. So even if market jumps up, so those like call buying positions will be acting as hedging for the future short positions as well. So that is how you have to properly analyze the scenario. It's not like people, what they do is, like, I have seen that one Twitter handle is there, FII data. So what, it's just a like algorithmic thing, that is, if you see that difference is positive, like shorted, bought, or whatever. So it doesn't work like that. I've shown you in the past as well. A little bit of human interpretation is also required. So talking about here, that is PropDex. They have done put buying, but not in huge quantity, but they have majorly done call writing. Okay, so they are call writers today. And overall, let's look at the positions. FIIs overall are call buyers. So that's what I'm saying, like the call buying is mainly for the hedging purpose. And so I would consider them as call writers. And look at the difference between call writing and put writing overall. So call writers and put buyers. Okay, so if I is a bearish in option as well as bearish in futures. Talking about PropDex, they are like call writers overall, and they are put buyers. Okay, so also like their put buying quantity is almost matching with the put writing. But fresh, if you see, look at the fresh positions, they have bought puts. And fresh also, like FIs, they have bought a huge amount of puts. So that's why, like, I would mainly focus on the downside, because option chain data is like looking downside and looking bearish. And futures also like looking slightly bearish, because FIs have shorted, and the PropDex are like short covering their futures long position. So that gives us the indication that we might be going on into a sell on rise opportunity. So let's look at the option chain now. So option chain, coming down to the option chain, if you look at here, that is in the money. So notice that, like 24,500 in the money. Some call writers, like 6.5 call writers have shorted. Okay, and if you look at further down, so 24,000 also, someone like 3.4 lakh contracts are there, out of which like 50,000 change in OI is 50,000 today. So slowly, like someone is gambling there. So someone is taking the chance that if 24,000 comes, then they will be able to eat a huge premium. Otherwise, like, they are safe till like almost 24,700. So now talking about here, that is 24,500. As you can see, 12 lakh contracts are already there, and 6.5 has been added today, out of which. And looking at the put side also, put side is looking weak, and in the money put writers are closing. And the proper call writing has been done at 24,800. So 24,800, guys, like still at 92. So let's see where it opens the next day. So that's where, like, the proper call writing, and as well as those who wants to be a little more safe, they have gone at 25k and did call writing at 40 or above 40, because during the day it was above 40. So that's the option chain analysis for Nifty. Bank Nifty, let's look at here, that is Bank Nifty. As I said, like last to last day also, like yesterday, go and look at yesterday's data. So money flow also indicated that Bank Nifty last moment shorted, like big guys have shorted today also, like today, I mean yesterday also. Big guys have shorted at the end, as money flow is indicating. Even in Nifty, majorly has shorted in Nifty. Bank Nifty also somewhat shorted. So where is it? Like, look at here, that is 52,000, like call writing has been done. And also, like, some in the money also there, 2.4 lakh contracts have been added at 51,000 as well. So it's in the money. And at the money also 3.9 lakh contracts. Out of the money, put side are closing. You will also notice that call side also closing. But notice that, like at the money, it's like and even in the money, the OI is increasing. But like, look at the money or in the money in put side, so it's closing. So it's clearly the put side is looking weak, and also some outside the money also, like out of the money also closing. So things are looking a little bit bearish. And yeah, so that's my overall view. So it would be a sell on rise opportunity that I will be looking for. If I don't get it, I won't trade, but that's what I will be looking for. Okay, so that's my overall analysis. And again, if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, so you can take the advantage of the coupon code, which will be available for only one more member. So do grab it before it ends. And if you found my analysis helpful, so please don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.